very busy Ganguly Bagan near Jadavpur. Shanghai has finally come to South Kolkata and we are here outside this new restaurant. Let's get inside and show you what this place looks like. When we were there at the launch of the Boishakhi outlet, we did not cover the combo menu, which was the starting thing. So this time around, we are going to be covering, showing you what the combo menu is like. So it is a 249 rupees menu where you get an option of a soup, a starter, a main course, a staple, as well as a dessert. Now this time around, you have a lot of different options to choose from, veg and non-veg. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be ordering veg first, non-veg, and we'll be showing you everything, what you're going to get, the amount, the quantity, and everything else. So let's start. So we're starting off, as has been the trend recently, we're starting off with the vegetarian stuff. So we're starting off with a vegetarian combo. Now you have a soup, a starter, a main course, a dessert, and if you're going for a vegetarian option, they're giving an extra vegetarian option over here. Let's try soup first. So we have a basil veg soup. Quantity is pretty good. It's a clear soup. I think it's ideal for the current weather change in Kolkata. Next up, let's try out the vegetarian starter. You will get many options. What we've chosen is a crispy chili baby corn, and what they've given extra is a stir fried veg. Let's try the baby corn first. It's crispy and not too spicy. Some stir fried veg. It's not dripping with oil, it doesn't have too much of oil, so that's good. It's pretty decent. Next up, we're having the main course of vegetarian. Now you have a lot of different options. You have paneer, you have soya, but we've gone for a 4-treasure vegetable. Along with this, we've gone for a good old basil rice. Let me try the basil rice first. Tastes good. Now, with some main course. I find the vegetables to be very fresh, very crunchy, seasonal vegetables this time around. It has shiitake mushrooms too, which are my favorite. Alright, finally, the dessert. You have an option of an ice cream as well as a custard. We've gone for this Thai custard. This is called a Sankaya. Anything which has coconut, I am a personal fan. Now, this is a pumpkin coconut custard and it is beautiful. I love it. Alright, now we're going to be trying out the non-vegetarian combo for 249 to 59. Combo to koto taka? Alright, so now we're going to be trying out finally the non-vegetarian combo. For 249, we have all of this. Now there are a lot of options for a lot of these things. For instance, the soup, you get an option of sweet and sour, hot and sour, coriander, as well as manchow. Amar mon kokoni manchow kore na. So I'm going to be having a hot and sour soup. Let's try it. Thickness is good. The amount of stuff this has is also pretty good. But I'm going to Next, we're going to be trying out the starters. Baby corn is a common item, so you get this over here as well. And you have a few options for non-veg main course. There's lollipop, there's other items. We've gone for takrai because takrai is one of my favorites. And they make it pretty well. Baby corn I've already given a review, so I'm going to skip directly to some burnt garlic egg fried rice and some chicken bulgogi. You have an option of Sao's chicken as well as Szechuan chicken, but Shanghai seems to be making this as their signature, so we are going for this. It's got that smoky texture, this particular rice, the burnt garlic. It's pretty good. Alright, the final item which we're trying out is the dessert. Now, baby corner time I'm bolechilam it's a repeat, so I'm not repeating. Kintu dessert ta khubi bhalo, so I'm going to do it once again. এই পুরো কম্বিনেশনটা যেটা তোমরা পাচ্ছ, যেটা তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, এগুলো লিমিটেড থাকবে, আনলিমিটেড না, ফার্স্ট থিংস ফার্স্ট। সেকেন্ডলি আই থিঙ্ক দ্য পোর্শন ইজ প্রিটি গুড। ইউ গাইজ ওয়ন্ট নিড, মানে খিদে তোমাদের পাবে না, মনের যদি খিদে দ্যাটস আ ডিফারেন্ট থিং, বাট পেটের খিদে তোমাদের পাবে না। ইউ ক্যান ট্রাই দিস আউট। দিস পার্টিকুলার অফার ইজ গোনা বি টিল দ্য 30th of November and it's there on delivery as well. So তোমরা যদি চাও এসে খেতে পারো, তোমরা যদি চাও ডেলিভারি করতে পারো। ডেলিভারি যখন করছো আশেপাশে রেডিয়াসে থাকলেই হবে, মিনিমাম তোমরা দুটো অর্ডার করো। আর এখানে যখন এসে খাচ্ছ, you guys can just walk in as a single person, as a stag, and you can enjoy this. So I think this particular one is a pretty good deal if you're looking for budgeted, really cheap and affordable combos. But since Foodspire is here, we're not going to be stopping over here, of course. So we're going to be ordering some of the signature starters as well. I'm going to show you what the starters, the a la carte section has on offer for you. We have Shrishti as well as Soham. Hi, welcome to Foodspire. First time. Hi, first time. কেমন লাগলো তোমাদের বলো? না না, ফুডটা কেমন লাগলো? কি কি ট্রাই করলে তোমরা? দ্য কম্বো, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ, এই স্যুপটা প্রথমে ট্রাই করলাম। উই অলসো ট্রাইড দ্য চিকেন। সো এইগুলো ভীষণ ভালো খেতে, অ্যান্ড স্পেশালি ডেজার্ট। আই লাভ দ্য ডেজার্ট বিকজ এটা কোকোনাটি একটা ফ্লেভার আছে, ভীষণ ভালো। আর স্যুপটাও ফাটাফাটি। আমি শেষ থেকে বললাম, মানে মিক্স করে প্রথমে মেন কোর্স, তারপর ডেজার্ট।
Shrishti, how was your experience?
It was really good.
The fact that Shanghai has come to South Kolkata, what do you guys have to say about that?
This was much needed, I feel, in Jadavpur, this area actually, because
After Solid, this is like a really good place to be.
And Nagir Bazaar, they already, you know, that area they are dominating. Salt Lake, and now it's South Kolkata. So
মানে যখন আমরা সল্ট লেকে ঘুরি, সব জায়গায় সাংহাইয়ের হোর্ডিংস দেখি, আজকে সাউথ কলকাতা সেম ফিলিং আসে।
correct.
While we were here.
Absolutely.
Great.
And the location is such very prime. একদম মানে main road এর উপরে store front আছে. It's very easy to locate as well.
Great. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your meal. Cheers. Starting off with a cool blue lagoon. Very fizzy, very refreshing. I'm sure this is something which has attracted or drawn a lot of your attention. Now this is a lamb rack. Let's try. It's delicious. Next we are having a fish in Chinese parsley, which is basically coriander. It's a little sour, but the fish is good. If you're a fan of coriander, you like it. I am personally a fan of coriander, so I like this one. Okay, we have our third starter, some chicken dim sums. Are we ready? Whoa, look at this. এটার সাথে কোনো ডিপ দাও না? ডিপ নেই? কোথায়? Trying out the dim sum along with the sauce. So the dim sums are going to be starting off after a while. And we have our final starter as well. Eta ki, Akash?
Chicken wings in Sangdam style.
In Sangdam style?
Sangdam style.
Okay. Akash ke ekbar tumra shobai dekhi dao. So Akash is the person who is the manager over here. Jada items amaderke dewa hoyeche 249 e same kintu tomra pabe, and etar guarantee personally amake dekhiyo na, Akash ke dekhao. Akash is same guarantee. Tai to Akash same pawa hobe na hole shobai tomake dhorbe. Tai to should I attack Akash if anything is wrong over here. Thank you so much, Akash, for always being so sweet whenever we visit. Okay, let's try out the dim sum. Jeta in dim sum paper bolchilam, this has not yet started. So I think by the time this particular video goes out on YouTube, it's gonna start. So right now they don't have a lot of dips. I have to make do with this particular coriander sauce which is here. But I think I'll just skip that. I'll just show you what this is like. The filling is good, but I find the coating to be a little thick. So possibly because it's not ready yet, I'm getting it in this way. But I think the couple of times they make it, it's going to be perfect. by the time you guys try, if you want to try dim sums. The final item which we're trying out is the chicken wings. So these are drumsticks. Very crispy outside, good amount of meat inside, perfectly tossed, not very spicy, very flavorful. What a wonderful end to this meal over here, the combos as well as the a la carte item. Ankita, how has your experience been?
My experience so far has been great. I tried few of the starters. I love the drumsticks. I've always been a very big fan of drumsticks, so yeah.
Niruka, how has your experience been? You were saying first time you're having dim sum?
No, I mean, what I meant was the taste was good. Fine, please. Okay, the lamb was the best thing. The lamb was one of the best items that I have tried among the starters. And yes, the dim sum, it was good. It was not a new thing, but yes, it was really good. And the dip was spicy. I loved it.
So Poulomi, you're trying out the noodles as well as the ice cream of the combo. How has the experience been?
The experience here is very nice, and I'm really happy that Shanghai has finally opened up in South Calcutta, because it's very difficult for people to travel all the way to North. And the food here is very good. The combo deal is amazing, and everyone should definitely come and try it.
That was our experience at the newest outlet of Shanghai. This place always is not just about the food, but the ambience as well. It's an amazing, very premium ambience which you normally get at Shanghai, and this place is no different. It has not disappointed me. You get a seating in the ground floor, you get a seating upstairs in the first floor, and both of it looks pretty premium. So you guys can come with your friends, your family, your dates, etc. You guys can have a very good time over here. I would suggest you to have at least 15-20 minutes extra, so that there's no lapse when it comes to service, so that it goes seamless. So keep some extra time, come here, enjoy the ambience. Don't just be at a rush to finish off your food. Don't do that. And yeah, whatever items you've tried, you can definitely try that. You can try out stuff which is from beyond this menu. Let me know in the comment section if you tried something else. Do share this video, like, comment. Until next time, Foods, we're wrapping up from Jadavpur, Shanghai's newest outlet. Cheers.